Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe for new videos. What is the difference between web design and web development? It is a significant question to ask if you're considering developing a website, especially if you're thinking about hiring someone to build it for you. Even when you're planning to do it yourself, it is helpful to know the way the functions are distinct, and they are come together to make a functional site. Web designing. Essentially, web design identifies the aesthetic part of the website, and it is usability. Web designing use different design applications like Adobe Photoshop to produce the design and other visual elements of the site. These are a few of the main functions of a web designing. 1. Web designing is utilizing software tools like Adobe Photoshop, Framer, or Sketch to construct web design. 2. Have extraordinary abilities in graphic design and logo design. 3. Web designing possess a fantastic sense for consumer experience, to recognize the most straightforward way possible to achieve the desired purpose. It includes the design, buttons, graphics along with the overall format of the site. 4. Additionally, it is essential to maintain design consistency that's made famous from many other net giant companies, like Google and Facebook. It produces the site interface and environment simpler to browse and use because it's already familiar to the consumer's eyes. 5. Experienced web designers remember the use of color palettes, as well as the typography and readability of web designing. Web designing should always start by considering a customer's website objectives and move on to an information architecture, IA, to specify a site's data hierarchy and also help direct the design procedure. Next, web designing may begin creating wireframes and eventually proceed to the layout phase. Web designing can use several standard design principles to achieve an aesthetically pleasing design that also provides an exceptional user experience. Web development. Web development, sometimes called programming, take the layout generated and construct a fully working site. To place it, really, think about this layout since a non-interactive image of a website. Then they use only HTML or even a more positive approach integrating programming languages like PHP to come up with a variety of site pages. More sophisticated web developers might opt to use a content management system, CMS, such as WordPress or Joomla to streamline growth and permit customers a simple way to keep and upgrade their site. Web development may convert a static site design into a dynamic site by employing content and image sliders, better UX for buttons and links, and other interactive components. Listed below are a few of the main functions of web development. 1. Assembling the true interface through which an individual interacts with the website. 2. Front-end development supplies the markup layout to back-end development so that they could execute a dynamic site, and submit all of the necessary information on your server and databases. 3. Backend developers produce the backend database of websites using languages like PHP and MySQL. 4. Web development can also use versioning tools to maintain a history of their last builds. It will assist them to immediately and easily return to some preceding, unbroken, variant if needed to do so. Are you interested to learn web designing from scratch? Conclusion. Web design company need both development and design to construct a useful website. While in theory, a designer that knows coding will be in a position to convey the desired functionality to a developer better. You can connect us. www.designingcourses.in. We provide web designing training with 100% job assistance plus certification. You can join anywhere in India. Click the like button for more videos.